Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're making a video, so we are gonna restore this fridge. Look how dirty it is. Don't you see, guys? Don't you see? So we are gonna, I cannot remove all of this, so we're gonna do the store fridge again. This one is cute, but we need this. Sorry. No. Wait, I am not throwing this. I'm not gonna throw. I need this. And I am throwing this. I'm making it a little makeover. Why am I even doing this right now? Oh my gosh, why am I doing this right now? So don't mind, guys, maybe like tomorrow or today night I will decorate this house a little, I think so. So yeah, we need boxes, we need them, we need these and these. No, put them here. Okay, now we just need like 3 of these. And we need these 2 of them. I think so, that's all. If we need more, I'll put some more. I'm gonna put 4 of these. Okay, now let's start making. We'll just put some chips right here. We need chips to survive. I'm joking. We actually need food also to survive. We need eggs, and we will not put in the carton. We'll put my gosh, stop moving. I'm trying to get the eggs. But first we're gonna put this, then some bread, we need also what else? We'll just put this and stop moving. Okay, now we'll put some bread. No, put the bread. Okay. And we need fruits also, of course. Apple. Oh, this one is rotten. Okay. Now we'll get some jam. We'll get some of these. What else? And some peas. And the salad mix. And we need these. Also, I am not have space, so I don't know what to do. And of course, we need ice cream. Where's the ice cream? Here it is. No, don't. Oh, where's it? Okay, this is gonna take a lot of time. This should be here. Okay. Now we need butter and this. I think so. I don't have that much. Um, what else? Oh my gosh, I forgot. What else? Oh my gosh. This is gonna take a lot of time, guys. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, just leave it. And we need these. This. No, oh my gosh. Are you serious right now? Now we need another these. Okay, I think so. I'm done. I'm done, right? Yeah, I'm done. I think so. I don't know. Oh yeah, I forgot baby food. Baby food. I don't need these. I don't need these. Yeah. Okay, I forgot baby food. Where was the baby food? Oh, here it is. We're gonna put lots of baby food. Okay. Okay, it's done. Okay, these doesn't fit, so we're gonna throw them because I don't know why. We're gonna just put these and put these. No, put it right here. Right here. No, right here. Right here. No. No! Are you serious right now, bro? Okay, it's so annoying to fill the fridge. Like, I don't know how people do those. Now we'll just put some eggs. And okay, I just heard a glass sound that broke. Let me just get that again. Let me get some jam, yeah. And we will get these. And we need this. Where should we put this? Oh my gosh, let's just put this right here. And we will put this right here. And the butter will be in the fridge. Okay, I am finally done, guys. But I forgot something. Oh my gosh, but I need those. I need those. Where was that? Oh my gosh. I'm so angry right now. I cannot even find it once again. OMG. It was right here and here the whole time. Are you serious right now, guys? Like, oh my gosh. It was right there. And I didn't see them. Oh my god. Okay. We'll just keep some dinos right here. And we need like 3 of these. We'll throw these and put these. Okay, so we're done with the fridge. So yeah, I love it. And these are the food which I don't make. OMG, I'm making this one. Hey, OMG. Just put all of these back here. Okay, I'm trying to make this one. First we need cocoa. Let's take a lot of cocoa because we are gonna make a long. Now we are gonna make with fish. Can we make with this fish the slow-mo fish? We actually can. Okay, we're gonna make a lot of them. Let's make a lot of them. No, my god. This is cocoa powder. I never used that before. OMG. OMG, I love it. I wanna see the toaster. Don't mind, guys. I just brought. We need bread. This bread. Toast. Oh yeah, we don't need this. We need this one. Wow, it actually looks nice. Oh, this is ice cream. Eat it. So yeah, guys, this is the fridge. Don't mind you if you didn't see my video of these. You know why she's holding these? I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you my YouTube channel. If you didn't see, hi guys, this like if you didn't see, like, family goes on a trip, Toca Boca part 1. Yeah, family goes on a trip. Yeah. And yeah, if you didn't see, go check it right now. I was just reading this. I went to an all-boys school. I was just reading it. Don't mind. Okay, so if you didn't see this, go check it right now. That's why they're holding it. I'm gonna make like part 2 sooner. That's why they're holding the tickets. You see that? You see those? I'm gonna make part 2 soon. Maybe today night or morning, evening. Maybe. So yeah. So this is the restocking fridge. I love it so much. Hope you love it, guys. And why is this open? Just throw it. Throw it. Oh my gosh. Not again. Eat it. Okay. So this is the video, guys. I restocked the fridge in Toca Boca. It was really hard. Hope you love it, guys. I made it really hard. So yeah, bye guys. See you in my next video. Hope you love my videos. Have a nice day. Have a great day with my videos. If you're bored, you can just see my videos. They are the best. So bye guys. See you in my next video. Hope you love my videos. Have the best day. Like and subscribe. And bye. See you in my next video.